To use your HSBC SWIFT code for international transfers, start by understanding what a SWIFT code is. A SWIFT code is a unique identifier for a bank branch that is used for international transactions. It is typically 8 to 11 characters long and is used to identify the bank, country, and branch. The first step in using your HSBC SWIFT code is to find it. You can find your HSBC SWIFT code on the HSBC website, on your bank statement, or by contacting HSBC customer service. The SWIFT code for HSBC will typically start with the letters HSBC followed by a series of numbers and letters. Once you have your SWIFT code, you can use it to send or receive international transfers. To send an international transfer, you will need to provide the recipient's name, address, and bank account details, as well as the SWIFT code of their bank. You can do this through the HSBC online banking platform, by visiting a branch, or by using the HSBC mobile banking app. When receiving an international transfer, you will need to provide the sender with your name, address, and bank account details, as well as your HSBC SWIFT code. It is essential to double-check the SWIFT code to ensure that the transfer is sent to the correct bank and branch. It is also important to note that you may need to provide additional information, such as the recipient's bank address and the purpose of the transfer. HSBC may also charge a fee for international transfers, so it is essential to check the fees and exchange rates before making a transfer. To avoid any delays or issues with your international transfer, make sure to use the correct SWIFT code and provide all the required information. You should also keep a record of your transfer, including the transfer amount, exchange rate, and any fees charged. In summary, using your HSBC SWIFT code for international transfers is a straightforward process. By finding your SWIFT code, providing the required information, and double-checking the details, you can send and receive international transfers quickly and securely.